What is this motor for?
That is a trolling motor.
Oh,
it's like when you're fishing and stuff, you can use it to move slowly.
Oh.
Instead of using the big motor.
And also it's a backup just in case that motor runs out of gas.
Yeah, you should ask Dad about the time in Hell's Canyon we had to use that to get back to the dock.
Not this boat.
No, not this boat.
That's what got me this boat.
This one has more
We
gas.
caught so many fish on that.
The oil slick.
No, I hear something right over here.
Sounds like a bug. Good job. We're getting our life jackets on.
Yep, your life jacket's on. Yep.
This one's fit.
Hey. Shh. Don't tell Mom. Don't tell Mom.
Don't tell Mom what?
I'll let you guys right over here without life jackets on.
Oh.
Because I would get a talking to. I'll either wait till the video when I'm home to get the talking to. You guys ready?
Ready? Yeah. And I smell gas.
Yes, it's still.
Love you, Daddy.
Love you too. You gotta look on the stumps and stuff that are close to the water. You can see it sometimes jumping in. gear.
I thought.
Oh, sorry, raise your hand.
Are we gonna bump our head? Are you gonna reach it? Can you reach up? Reach it? I'm gonna reach up. Yep. Daddy.
Water, Dad? Is that a log across the water?
That looks like a dead end.
It's all the way across.
Do I have to turn back? We have to turn back.
There's a small little turtle right there on the log. Small little one. You can see the shell.
How about can we go closer to it?
The whole burnt stump right there.
Oh, it burnt and some.
It used to be a very old now right here.
Oh.
Ferry, and there was a fuel station there.
Fuel station
Can we
is
go
very
over
nice.
to Sunken Ship?
No.
That's why they got the buoys. They don't want to go over to something.
Yeah.
So it says danger on them. So this is where they went down and got that window in your house.
No, that's what I was told one time. No, I don't think that's the right story.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So the window didn't have that. Alright, bud, let me take you here. You need to get up.
Mary Dobbin, sit up here.
Your dad needs to take over up front.
I think we should use a smaller mark.
The wind is really working against you, isn't it?
All that I have to do is jump onto the dock and then we...
Yep, he's got to jump on the dock and pull us in.
Stop. You want to take the herd?
He died. Achicha and Dad do this all the time.
Wait.